Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Rocket Lab just several days ago, to be exact on June 13th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $102.39. And at this point my main assumption was that we have two options. Option number one was the straight movement to the upside, but option number two was the following: if the level of $102 doesn't hold, we have to see the next leg to the downside that potentially might retest around $92 mark, the next crucial level of support. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of Rocket Lab, and I made my previous video when this asset was at this point, and since I made it, this asset tried to hover above the level, crucial level of support. As you can see, we have several touches of this range as the range of support. We see the retest of this range for several times, and then it broke it to the downside, and for now it is leaning towards my price target of around $92. And as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part: if you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you what crucial levels do we have for this stock, what news are the most important news for the market for today's session and for this week, and what should we expect from the price action. So first of all guys, let's take a look at the general sentiment related to Rocket Lab stock. And right here you can see that we have a very good news, and this news is still on the table, that Rocket Lab was included into Nasdaq 100 list, and it happened yesterday. And you might wonder why, despite the fact that it was added to this list, the price of Rocket Lab went lower. And the reason is quite simple. Potentially it is nothing else but the most impressive and most famous trading phrase: buy the rumor, sell the news. And we have the date of inclusion, June 22nd, and on yesterday's session this asset lost about 9% of its value. On top of that guys, here is the actual price action of QQQ index at overnight hours. As you can see, we have a straight line to the downside, and it is a falling knife, literally falling knife. It lost more than 2% within just several overnight trading hours. You might wonder why did it happen, and here is the reason. Citadel Securities wrote this update, and here is the paragraph that I want to quote you. Citadel anticipates the natural policy sequence will force the July FOMC statement to shift toward a hiking bias, perfectly setting up a September hike. The firm maintains that risks heavily skew toward consecutive interest rate hikes in September 2026, December 2026, and March 2027. So guys, a lot of investors were anticipating lower interest rates, but we are about to see rate hikes. That is why, guys, the market definitely doesn't like this news, and that is why we have this literally falling knife on QQQ index. And let's take a look at SPY index as well. We have the same sharp decline, but by 1%. So definitely we have more bearish pressure on the stock market right now. That is why, guys, my price target of roughly $91–93 is still on the table. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, I want to pay attention to the general price action of this stock. And if I switch to, let's say, 4 hours time frame, you can see that this asset completed or almost completed this structure. Wait a second, I will show you right here. We could expect, let's put it this way, because for now we are leaning towards much lower price action. We could expect another leg to the upside to complete its fifth wave, but with the breakout below $0.5, the likelihood of its extension in the fifth wave becomes, well, the chances are very slim for now. That is why, guys, we cannot rely on the top of this wave 5 above this previous swing high. That is why, guys, we still have theoretically this potential movement to the upside, but in this case this level of $92 should hold. On top of that, guys, let's switch to hourly time frame or even 30 minutes time frame, and let me show you the comparison of the stock with the price action of SpaceX. And this price action of SpaceX stock, you can see, is not so impressive. It hit about $225 on June 16th, and since then this asset lost 1/3 of its value, and it is not the end. It is very predictable that the company that doesn't have a net income is overvalued because of all the marketing tricks that were used by Elon Musk himself. That is why, guys, all other so-called rocket stocks fell down because of the price action of SpaceX. And we are not out of the woods, guys. I don't encourage you, let's switch again to Rocket Lab price action alone. I don't encourage you to enter your long position with this asset at roughly $92. We have to see, wait a second, I don't need this arrow. We have to see a reaction first of all, and then we have to have higher lows and higher highs in order to see the potential beginning of this movement to the upside. That is why, guys, be cautious with any of your long positions. The market is bleeding right now. I cannot tell you anything rather than it is bleeding, and that is why, guys, the upcoming session and potentially the end of this week will be with the extremely high bearish pressure on any stocks that you might find. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.